Hi, this is Yvonne Lederer for altMD, and I'm standing here in Davie, Florida, at the office of Dr. Scott Denny, who is a staff alternative medicine physician and integrative medicine physician at Holy Cross Hospital as well. He will soon be opening yet another clinic to service South Florida area, and he performs mesotherapy, biopuncture, injection therapy, all kinds of alternative and integrative treatments for pain management and aesthetics.
This now
You're able to lay down on your stomach. So prior to our therapy, that's been a big issue for you, considering your history of your condition. Correct?
Right.
Okay.
We're here today with Dr. Denny and his patient Dan, and he is about to tell you what procedure he is performing for pain management on a victim of a traumatic car accident.
Yes. Hi. Hello, everyone. This young man has sustained a spinal cord injury and fortunately has come back from being a quadriplegic through extensive rehabilitation, and now we're trying to we've been very effective in the last few weeks in alleviating more of his symptoms and using natural techniques to promote continued healing of the tissues, regeneration of the tissues, reducing the pain, and enhancing his quality of life.
And what modality are we using?
We're going to be using a biopuncture technique which employs natural medicines, European pharmaceutical products. They're all natural, they're homeopathic. They're completely safe, almost virtually no side effects.
If I cracked the vial open and drank it, what would happen to me?
It tastes like salt water. If you chewed up a whole bottle of the oral product, probably give you gas. But other than that, it wouldn't hurt you.
Wonderful. So then we're going
to have an audience today that is shaved.
Okay, so we'll see the procedure now.
Okay. So what we do is we draw up, which I've already done, the medications into a syringe using a very short needle, because we want to get these medicines into the skin where they're slowly absorbed. The process requires that we do multiple infiltrations of small amounts along the paraspinal tissues, and it's a very quick process, as you can see. How we doing, Dan?
Okay.
No major issues or problems right now?
No.
Good. And as you can see, we follow along the shoulders.
That's where the tightness is.
Where's that, Dan?
Along from the...
Where I just treated you?
Yeah.
Okay. And then we're going to return going back into the spine, paraspinally, right up the spine. Of course, the area was prepped prior to this and cleaned with using appropriate antisepsis. And I'm going to just change my vantage point here. As you can see, it goes rather quickly. And it's just a series of small biopunctures, again, into the acupuncture points. And again, returning back to the spine.
Right there.
Right there, huh? Got the spot?
That's the spot.
Okay. Because of some scarring in here, it makes it a little bit more difficult.
I had surgery on the back of my neck after the accident.
And then we're going to also infiltrate multiple areas which have already been prepared in the lower back as well. So you cover a lot of ground, and these are all the bladder meridian points, of course, along the spine. And it's as simple as that. We just check for areas of a little bit of residual medication and bleeding, and it's done just like that. And this patient is receiving this protocol on a weekly basis.
I can now leap tall buildings with a single bound.
Hi, Dr. Scott Denny back here. Insofar as the biopuncture technique is concerned, it's originally been used or historically been used for pain management. However, it can be used for a variety of pain-related conditions, disc problems, muscle problems, nerve problems, arthritis, things of that nature. But what's happened now is that there's been some really great breakthroughs in the world of biopuncture protocols and products, from new products that have come out of Europe, FDA registered products to be used in this country for treating a whole host of other conditions, aesthetic conditions, wrinkles, sagging skin, cellulite, fat, using the same type of methodology and the same type of thinking in developing the products, all safe, all natural, wonderful results, lasting results, and safe to be using. No untoward side effects. There's no biological toxins being used or fillers or anything of that kind. The concept is to stimulate the body's tissues to regenerate. In the case of aesthetic issues, we're stimulating the body's fibroblasts to produce more collagen. In the case of pain management, we're stimulating the body's ability to produce restoration of normal physiology of the tissues and reduction of pain. And that's pretty much what biopuncture is. Thanks.